Okay. We still got a minute to go, and then we'll start on the dot.
Is it also being recorded, Samanka,
Yes.
Janice? Because recording sign nathi ayu.
We are live on Facebook.
Acha, but no, the recording nonetheless will you do? Can we do recording?
Okay. Time to start. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. Janice, could you do the short prayer, please?
Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Am I audible, Uncle?
Yes.
Beloved God, help us all to love you more and more, and more and more, and still yet more, till we become worthy of union with you. And help us all to hold fast to Baba's daman till the very end. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Thank you, Baba.
Jai Baba, everybody. Welcome to our Thursday evenings program. Before we start off, I'd like to invite our one and only Lord Meher Baba. We'd like to request Baba to come and join us and look after the entire process of this meeting. Let each word that is spoken be as per your wish, Baba. And just take care of the entire proceedings of this meeting. Thank you. Today we have with us a group of people from Constant Companion, and there is Gumaluri Harshini. She is joining from Hyderabad, and the others are joining from Bombay. And I think Harshini will be starting off. They will also pay a small tribute to our late Murthy. And so without wasting much time, let us start off with the program. Go ahead, folks. Harshini ji, unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself, Harshi ji.
There are some notification beeps coming, Farah. Could you check constantly?
Line is okay now? Voice,
That is okay.
sound is okay?
Yeah, now it is okay.
Okay?
Yeah, go ahead. Thank you.
Okay. Jai Baba.
Jai Ma.
Avatar Meher Baba ki Jai. My name is Malati, Mandapaka Malati Rao. Harshini she is my granddaughter. Her name is Harshini Gumuluri.
Oh, sorry.
My name is Mandapaka Malati Rao. I'm from Bombay actually. When I was 9 years, 10 years, that time I was in Bombay. My father name, Manda Appa Rao.
Appa Rao, yes.
Yes. Appara's daughter, I'm second daughter. We are four sisters. My daddy is having 4 daughters and 1 son. I am the second daughter. My name is Malati.
Okay.
And we are actually in Vizag, Visakhapatnam. When I was 1965, that time I was born in 59. So I was in the Vizag. And we know about Baba. I heard about Baba, but I have not seen him. तो जब मम्मी जो नेबर्स थी, नेबर्स वाज NVS Ramarao, you must be know him. He
Yes,
is in Visakhapatnam.
yeah,
His father name is Ramakrishna Murthy. Pantulu, Ramakrishna Pantulu, his name. So we used to, my mother used to go to the house. The neighbors are there, Gandhi Garu. Gandhi Garu and his Mrs. Some. So we went there, and my mother used to go there, Baba's bhajan and all. And they used to say, what is going on here? Every day Baba bhajan is there. What Baba? Who is the Baba? Baba is a God. You come and see, enjoy here. You see the Baba's bhajan and all, attend. So mommy used to attend bhajans and all. But daddy doesn't like. डैडी को क्या है ना, क्या है, बाबा भगवान है, ये कौन है, ये आदमी कौन है, ये भगवान करके तुम बोल रही है, हमको तो नहीं लगता है। एक्चुअली हम लोग जो फिल्म, ओल्ड फिल्म एक्टर, ही लुक्स लाइक SP रंगाराव, तेलुगु एक्टर। तो ऐसा लग रहा है इसको, क्या है तुम मानती है भगवान, इज ए गॉड? नहीं नहीं। तो मिसेस जगह एंड somebody said, तुम्हारे घर में मिसेस गांधी गारू, उन्होंने बताया कि आपके घर में बाबा का भजन रखी है। बोले, नहीं मम्मी said, my mother is very innocent. She started crying. My husband doesn't like बाबा, who is a बाबा, ये तो कौन आदमी है, उसका रख के तुम पूजा करेगी, तुम पागल हो गए क्या? डैडी बोले कि नहीं, तुम कुछ रखेगी नहीं, बाबा भजन नहीं, बाबा नहीं, कोई नहीं। नो नो, फिर मम्मी बताई कि क्या करूं, मेरा हस्बैंड तो विश्वास नहीं कर रहे, बाबा भगवान नहीं। नहीं मिसेस अप्पा राव, मेरे मम्मी का नाम सूर्यकांतम है, तो कांतम तुम डोंट वरी, तुम्हारे घर में बाबा का भजन होगा। बाबा बर्थडे के चलते एक एक घर में भजन होता है ना, स्टार्ट होता है। तो मम्मी भजन के लिए, नहीं नहीं, विश्वास नहीं कर रहा हस्बैंड, हम क्या करूं? तुम चिंता मत करो कांतम, तुम्हारे घर में भजन होगा। तो डैडी बालाजी को पूजा करते हैं, तिरुपति बालाजी। तो एवरी डे डैडी व्हेन ही गो टू ऑफिस ही प्रे टू गॉड बालाजी। तो एक दिन सैटरडे क्या किया ना, डैडी ने हारती, कर्पूर हारती देने लगे। देने से ना उसमें से बाबा का फोटो दिखाई देने लगा, like चिन्ह मुद्रा, दिस वन लाइक दिस सिटिंग बाबा, वैसा फोटो दिखा दिया डैडी को। डैडी बोले, अरे बाप रे, इज ए गॉड, मेहर बाबा है, देखो बालाजी का इसमें से हमको मेहर बाबा दिखाई दिया, ये सब सच्ची भगवान है। तो डैडी इज टू क्राई, हम इतना मिस्टेक किया, बाबा भगवान नहीं है, व्हाट अ टाइप ऑफ मैन हम करके। फिर बोला, नहीं तुम भजन रखो, बाबा का भजन। फिर डैडी ने बाबा का भजन फिर रखा, मम्मी भी गाना गाने लगी, सब अच्छे से हुआ। फिर डैडी को प्रमोशन हुआ बॉम्बे। डैडी तुरंत बॉम्बे गए, हम जाके बाबा से मिलेंगे। तो इतने में डैडी होटल में ठहरे थे, तो डैडी ने क्या किया ना, तो पेपर मॉर्निंग टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया पेपर आया था, पेपर में दिखा, अरे बाबा ड्रॉप इज बॉडी, देखिए कैसा है। फिर डैडी बोले कि मम्मी को बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा है, अरे बाबा ड्रॉप इज बॉडी, उनको मिलेंगे करके हम सोचे, प्रमोशन मेरे को है आया है, हम मिलना है, क्या करूं? फिर डैडी बाद में गया है। तो उसके बाद फिर डैडी बॉम्बे ट्रांसफर हो गया, बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो गया। बाद में 68 में हम लोग, 69-70 में हम लोग लेके आए डैडी। डैडी वॉज इन बॉम्बे फॉर 2-3 years। आफ्टर दैट हम लोग को बुलाया, फिर डैडी अपार्टमेंट खरीदा, फिर हम लोग फ्लैट में रहे। एंड वी यूज्ड टू, दैट टाइम वी आर वेरी स्मॉल, दैट टाइम आई वाज 10 years। तो फिर बाबा का भजन फिर डैडी करने लगे बॉम्बे में, प्रताप आहिर एंड प्रमोद अंकल, दे ऑल यूज्ड टू कम, दे ऑल यूज्ड टू कम। बाबा से भजन होते थे, अच्छे से बढ़िया से गाना गाते थे, इतना अच्छे से हो रहा। फिर मेरा फिर शादी हुआ 1985, मेरा पहले बड़ी सिस्टर का हो गया, सबका हो गया शादी, उसके बाद मेरा हुआ। मेरा होने का बाद मूर्ति का मेरे बहन पद्मा मूर्ति, पद्मा का लिए लड़का देखने लगा। फिर डैडी उसको भी सर्विस करिए, शी वाज वर्किंग फेडरेशन एक्सपोर्ट कंपनी, शी वाज ए डायरेक्टर, पद्मा। सो फिर डैडी बोलने के कि तुमको शादी करेंगे, ऐसा लड़का है, अच्छा है तो करेंगे। तो प्रताप से भी बात किया डैडी ने कि पद्मा के लिए रिश्ता देके पद्मा के लिए शादी करेंगे। ऐसा लड़का हम देखे हैं, उसका नाम है राजेंद्र मूर्ति। तो दोनों का डिफरेंस एज था, 8 years डिफरेंस। तो मम्मी बोलने लगी 8 years डिफरेंस है, नहीं शादी नहीं, इतना उम्र का नहीं है, लड़का है, नहीं चाहिए। फिर मेरे बहन बोलने लगे नहीं मम्मी, अच्छा लड़का है, जब हम करेंगे उससे शादी, कुछ नहीं होगा, 8 years डिफरेंस होने से क्या होगा, हम करेंगे शादी। तो पद्मा शादी किया। उसके बाद डैडी, हम लोग क्या है ना, तिरुपति जाने, जब भी किसी का शादी हम लोग तेलुगु लोग में होने से ना तिरुपति लेके जाते हैं। डैडी क्या किया, जब बाबा में इसमें आने के बाद फिर डैडी सबको मेहराबाद लेके जाता है। तो फिर डैडी बोले कि ये मूर्ति शादी होने के बाद तुम लोग है ना पहले वहां लेके जाएंगे। फिर डैडी बोला ठीक है। तो राजेंद्र मूर्ति से बात किया, राजेंद्र मूर्ति बोला कि बाबा कौन है। फिर डैडी बताया सब, बोला ठीक है। शादी होने के बाद उन लोग दोनों गया है। इज वेरी एक्टिव मूर्ति, इतना एक्टिव था। फिर बोला हमको इंटरेस्ट लगा बाबा के इसमें, मेहर बाबा एक बार जाएंगे दर्शन पद्मा करके बोले थे। वो लोग जाने लगा, दर्शन करने किया। दर्शन जाने का करने के बाद उसको, आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही वाज फीलिंग, उनका पावर आया बाबा का उसको, मूर्ति को। इतना घर आने के बाद है ना बाबा का प्रेयर करने लगा, उसको अच्छा लगा। बाबा का गाना उतना तभी स्टार्टिंग उसको नहीं आता था। तो ठीक है, डैडी बाबा के बारे में स्पीच, गॉड स्पीक, डैडी बताते बाबा भजन एवरी थर्सडे इन माय हाउस, baba's bhajan is there. Daddy used to come from office and he gives speech. By the time we sing songs, Telugu and Hindi songs like that we used to sing. भी डैडी आने के बाद स्पीच देने लगा। उसके बाद मूर्ति आने लगा, ऑफिस से आने के बाद सब हम लोग मिलजुल के अच्छे से बाबा का भजन सब होते थे। पद्मा का फिर ऐसा हो गया ना 2020 में, एकदम कंप्लीटली शी वाज वेरी सीरियस। और उसका बेटा कार्तिक, कार्तिक उसका एक बेटा होने के बाद कार्तिक है ना, उसको भी लेके गए बचपन में, उसको गोदी लेके लेके जाते थे बाबा का समाधि मेहराबाद लेके जाने से। इतना कार्तिक भी बाबा को प्रेयर करने लगा। और ये दे वर वेरी हैप्पी। कार्तिक तो बस बोलना ही नहीं है, बाबा को इतना चाहता है बचपन से। मैंने पद्मा बोलने लगे हाँ इसको बाबा का बहुत टच है, बाबा का इसमें। आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, उन लोग तीनों भी बाबा के समाधि जाते थे, कार्तिक, Padma, and Padma never used to go with them always when, because she's having when December holidays, no, 1 week, 10 days like that, she gets holidays. That time I'll come. So फिर 1992 में जनार्दन रेड्डी करके उन्होंने उसको बुलाया था, तुम वॉलेंटियर का काम कर सकेगा, तुम करेगा मूर्ति, बोलने से ओ आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई वांट टू डू। तो उसने ज्वाइन किया, फिर उसने स्टार्ट किया। 35 years, I think so. No, 35 years for Murthy has done volunteer there. बाबा समाधि के पास उसको देखिए कितना, उसको सब लैंग्वेज आता, जो लैंग्वेज नहीं आता, you know हिंदी, गुजराती you know very well. Myself and my younger sister Padma, Murthy's wife, and Murthy, we three used to, Malti, you know Gujarati. I said, I know I can, because I was in Jamshedpur. My husband was working Tata Steel. And GSN Murthy uncle used to come to my house. Always I tell him, uncle, अब बाबा के बारे में बताइए, जो भी बताना मेरे घर आने से। used to come in the morning and evening he used to go. इतना अच्छे से अंकल, उनका बेटी दामाद GSN Murthy अंकल लोग भी हम लोग से बहुत मिलजुल के रहता था। Last year he came, Murthy came to my house. My last younger sister's daughter's marriage he came. और हमने क्या किया, बाबा का भजन रखा। मूर्ति तुम कब आ रहे हैं नवंबर में? So he said I'm coming on 14th November. तो ठीक है, हम बाबा का भजन रखेंगे, तो he will be happy. He said मालती तुम सच्ची रख रही है बाबा का भजन? हम बोला हाँ, तुम आ रहे, हम सबको अनाउंस किया, मूर्ति इज कमिंग, राजेंद्र मूर्ति। हु इज राजेंद्र मूर्ति? इज माय ब्रदर इन लॉ। Is your brother-in-law? We don't know. We know him very well in Baba Samadhi volunteer. बाप रे इतना अच्छा, is very active person. इतना अच्छे से सबसे मिलजुल के बात करते. What language you don't know? He know all. सबसे मिलजुल के रहता है. बस वही हम इतना, हम और वो मूर्ति. पद्मा मेरे बहन चले गई, लेकिन हम और वो इतना टच में बाबा का, इसमें हमेशा बाबा का ही बारे में हम लोग दोनों बात करते रहते हैं. इतना अच्छे से बात करता ना मूर्ति. जब से आया था ना यहाँ हैदराबाद आने से मिला, मूर्ति लो सबको तुम जानता है. आई नो हिम, आई नो हिम वेरी वेल, एवरीबडी. I know Suri Narayana, I know Paro, this Ramakrishna, yeah, and everybody's I know. B. Ramakrishna, everybody's I know. Oh my God. And she is your sister-in-law. Malti, you didn't told me any time. Then they said, okay, it's very nice for introducing me. Then everybody's are very happy, really. He came to Baba's bhajan, he was singing songs also. I told him, sing a song, one song. He said, nahi, mere ko kuch nahi. And Jubilee Hills, we went there, 38th anniversary. I told Murthy, 38th anniversary Hyderabad में Jubilee Hills में है, तुम चलो हम लोग के साथ. तो हम अकेली जा रही है, तुम आएगा तो अच्छा है, तुम भी. मैंने नहीं, हमको कहाँ जाना है. बोला नहीं, तुम पहले चलो, तुम चलो मेरे साथ. कैसा जाएंगे हम लोग? हम बोला कार है, मेरे बेटी के कार है, ड्राइवर है, हम लोग मिलके जाएंगे. इतना अच्छे से अटेंड किया प्रोग्राम, सबसे मिला, सबको. लास्ट ईयर इन ईयर आई डोंट नो फिर कब आएगा मूर्ति बोलने से. आई कांट से, बाबा नोस. यूज्ड टू से लाइक दैट. When I will come, that I can't say. Why don't you come, you and Durga, my younger sister? Why don't you come to Bombay, you and Durga? I said, I'll come. I'll try to come next year. I'll see. Then July, no, March. March first week, he said, Malti, you're coming to Mehrabad. I said, no, I'm not coming now. What is that? Duni hai tumhana, tum Malti karke. Then he said, no, I don't get, because I was not well. I was having a high sugar. My daughter said, Mummy, you don't go now anywhere. I'll send you on July, 100 years. Then I said, okay. Then I surprised really Murthy. That is that Venkatesh के कौन तो है उसका सेंटर आते रहता है. तो उन्होंने बताया कि मूर्ति चले गया, मालूम है मालती, राजेंद्र मूर्ति. मतलब हाँ. I was eating food on that day, 14th, holy day. I was eating food myself, and I got a news. Are you joking? What Malti are saying like that? I'm not joking, really. Then कैसा चला गया, क्या हुआ उसको? सडनली हार्ट अटैक आया, MPR में था हम लोग सब. एंड रोशनी, नताशा एंड एवरीबडी आर देयर टेलिंग मी मूर्ति चला गया, बाबा के पास गया. देखो एक्चुअली ना, मेरी फादर है ना, मम्मी चले जाने के बाद डैडी ने छोड़ दिया. मैंने छोड़ दिया, मैं से कृष्ण भक्त. बाबा ने क्या कहा, आई एम अ राम, आई एम अ कृष्णा, आई बुद्धा. सो डैडी क्या किया, इस्कॉन टेम्पल जाते थे. इस्कॉन टेम्पल जाने के बाद डैडी ने 2010 25th February, I was praying to Baba's Aarti and giving prayer and Aarti and cake cutting also I have done. But my Padma Murthy's wife, she told me, Papa चले गया. मतलब कितने बजे? ठीक 5 o'clock morning से. बाबा ने क्या कहा, तुम हमको छोड़ देगा, लेकिन हम तुमको एंड तक तुमको छोड़ेगा नहीं. लेकिन लास्ट में कहाँ गए डैडी? कृष्ण का भक्त है, कृष्ण को ही ज्यादा ये कर. मेरे घर में जब भी भजन, हम जमशेदपुर में थे, जब भी भजन होने से मेरे डैडी आता था. डैडी यूज्ड टू सिट वेरी फार. I used to call him, Daddy, you come and sit here. Don't sing a song, anything you don't say. Just to sit and listen. No. I'm Krishna ka bhakta. And he was doing jap and Hare Krishna. He was doing like that. He never used to come. मेरे को कृष्णा है, हरे कृष्णा. नाउ माय ब्रदर आल्सो, he is also saying Hare Krishna. I am saying Jai Baba to my brother. See, I am saying to my brother, Malti, and that day he came for function, no, 29th. So, Malti, Jai Baba, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, he said. I said, Jai Baba, Avatar Meher Baba ki Jai. I used to say like that. Because Pratap uncle also told me, Malti, in your house, you and Murthy and your husband, you are three of you more Baba's attachment. बस मालती तुम बाबा को मत छोड़ना, बाबा को याद करते रहो, बाबा का, because we have every day online 4:30 to 6 we have Karimnagar near Hyderabad only. It's 3 hours journey, and they given me numbers online, and 6 to 8 we have Hyderabad every day. Every day we have. They give me prayer, Malti do prayer. Sometimes they give prayer. Sometimes they give Harti. Sometimes Nam. Om Namo Meher Baba. Otherwise, Meher Baba, Meher. They used to go. Otherwise, Harti. Malti आज तुम prayer करो. आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, हम मन में सोचते हैं कि बाबा आज मेरे को प्रेयर देने से अच्छा है बाबा तुम कि ना. Some people what they did, no, they'll give message. Some are they give. They yesterday, no, I was really inside. I was thinking, आज मुझे प्रेयर देने से अच्छा है बाबा तुम देगा ना मेरे को प्रेयर बाबा. आज मन में ऐसे सोचा. तो कल का दिन हमको शर्मा जी करके उन्होंने बताया कि मालती जी आप प्रेयर कीजिए. हम सोचे बाबा ने मेरा वॉइस सुना है, मेरा अंदर से सुना है, बाबा का प्रेयर करना चाहती है. तो इतना बाबा के इसमें मूर्ति और हम दोनों भी वो इतना अटैचमेंट है बाबा के सिवा और कुछ नहीं. एवरी डे तुम क्या कर रही है मालती ऑनलाइन में, तुम तो अच्छी है, अच्छा से तुम ऑनलाइन में अटेंड करती है, यू अटेंड. मेरा तो कुछ नहीं. आई टोल्ड हिम आई गिव द नंबर, व्हाई डोंट यू अटेंड. नहीं नहीं नहीं, आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग, बस बाबा का प्रेयर आरती 7 o'clock morning, evening 7 o'clock. That one only I will attend. I will not attend anything. He used to say. And Karthik, such a nice boy, Murthy is having, like that son, you know, is very grateful, Karthik. And his wife also very nice. She is also very nice girl. यही है मेरा बात है. डैडी को तो रियली, डैडी को प्रमोशन आने के बाद बाबा का ज्यादा बिलीव करने लगा. वो डैडी मम्मी चले जाने के बाद इस्कॉन में जाने लगे डैडी. रियली आई वाज सरप्राइज. किसी ने बोला कि तुम्हारे व्हेन माय हस्बैंड आल्सो पास 2020 July 25th, Murthy's wife has gone. She's passed, and my husband passed when, you know, September 1st, पौर्णिमा का दिन, ठीक पौर्णिमा का दिन. इवन मूर्ति also सेम पौर्णिमा का दिन नहीं चला गया. दोनों भी देखिए, वही प्रताप अंकल बोले दोनों का अटैचमेंट देखो कैसा है. ये भी पौर्णिमा का दिन नहीं चला गया और वो भी पौर्णिमा का दिन. जैसे कैसा है इन लोग का दोनों का. बाबा कैसा उन लोग के पास उस टाइम वो तिथि का ऊपर से पौर्णिमा का दिन कैसे लेके कैसे चला गया बाबा के पास. Really, I started crying like 2 days. My goodness, last year he came to Hyderabad. He was enjoying. उसको जो चाहिए उसको फेवरेट उपमा हम अच्छे से बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं. मालती कितना साल हो गया तुम्हारा हाथ का उपमा काके करके बोलने लगा. दैट इज रवा उपमा आई मेड फॉर हिम. इतना अच्छा से खाया, रियली मेरे को आंख में पानी आने लगा. रियली सरप्राइजिंग. ऐसा चला गया बोलने से ना. रियली स्टिल आई एम थिंकिंग इज देयर, मूर्ति इज देयर. है फोन जब भी हम बात करते हैं ना, उसके पापा का फोन से, कार्तिक का पापा का फोन, मूर्ति का फोन नंबर से वो बात करता है। तो उसका पापा का फोन जब भी हम कार्तिक करके हम उठाएंगे ना, जय बाबा मालती, मेरे को आवाज ऐसे सुनाई देता है मूर्ति का, क्योंकि ना उसको फोन करने से, हाँ मालती बोलो, क्या बात है, कैसी है, आर यू ओके, तुम्हारा शुगर ठीक है ना, हाँ ठीक है, आई एम ओके। But every Saturday I'm going to, not every Saturday now, possible if driver comes, I was that Koti Center, Jubilee Hills Center we have. Only Monday to Saturday we have online every day. And night also 9:30 to 10:30, 11 that is Srikakulam we have. But I'm not attending because my granddaughter is very small now. She sleeps with me. Morning she has school. So my daughter said, Mummy, you sleep, you enjoy now evening 4 to 8:30. बाबा के इसमें ज्यादा टच में है तुम, अभी सो जाओ, she used to say. But I don't get sleep, you know. बाबा के इसमें 24 hours बाबा के इसमें रहने से ना मेरा ध्यान उसी में चले जाता है। लेकिन हम बच्चों लोगों को बात मानना पड़ेगा ना हम लोगों को। When they saying, ठीक है बेटा, but we have songs, गाना बेचते हैं every Tuesday, प्रेमिक बृंदम and Venkat Rao, that is Visakhapatnam, every Sunday we are sending songs and all, enjoy with Baba only my life. More attachment with Baba mine. Always Baba is with me. That only. If nobody's, I'm staying down alone, first floor. My daughter, I came to my daughter's house because my laptop is not there. So my son-in-law said, Mummy, you come up. Laptop you said, start कर। बस सब रेडी करके मेरे लिए रखा, हम आई हूँ। जैसा नताशा आते, आप आते, रोशनी आते, when रोशनी came, I was thinking now I'm in Bombay. Really? सिंगिंग बाबा का फोटो देखने से ना, हरी बाप रे, हम बाबा का बॉम्बे आ गए, बॉम्बे सेंटर में है, यही मेरा। What else to say? Anything you want to ask? Anything you want to ask, Roshni?
I just want to add के वो जो ISKCON की और
ISKCON.
the thing that Appa Rao, the father, went on 25th February.
Yeah.
Also to add that he went right at the altar of ISKCON.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
वो अपने रोज की जो आराधना करते थे, आरती करते थे,
ये
तो
बहुत
वो करते करते वो जो मेन ऑल्टर है जहाँ पे लोग खड़े रहते हैं इस्कॉन में, तो उसी ऑल्टर पे ही ड्रॉप्ड। And as said that in whichever form बाबा हमेशा हमारे साथ होते हैं,
साथ होते
and
हैं।
Baba ultimately proved to him that whether he was saying Hare Krishna or whatever all his life,
Yeah. He
but
says
yet Baba at that बाबा बोलते नहीं है, पर जब बोलते हैं तो वो छप्पड़ फाड़ के बोल देते हैं। ऐसा है।
Yeah.
He makes a big statement in his silence to us.
Yeah.
And with that's what we felt as our learning. कि बाबा says कि hold on to my daman, but actually वो भी हमें खुश करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, because actually he is not leaving us.
He is not leaving us. Yeah.
उनकी grace अगर नहीं होगी तो it is difficult for us to hold on to his daman.
Yes, correct. Whatever you said.
And his grace is there, and it is him holding on to us so that we are able to hold on to his daman.
Yeah.
So in this statement, it is a huge statement कि हम कुछ भी कर दे, पर अगर अंदर से, and in so many different quotes, Baba himself uses the word God, and just as my little learning, it has always been that every time he does not use the word Baba, he has used word God several times, so that word God is synonymous to Baba. God is equivalent to Baba, and then irrespective of the names that we may call him as or know him as, he still is God. And it reminds me of that very sweet Vinod Khilnani uncle's story कि वो
Yeah,
दोनों
I read the
जब
book.
बाबा को एक बार पूछा था उन्होंने कि वो प्रिंसिपल हर रोज बोलता है जीसस इज गॉड, जीसस इज गॉड, आप बोलते हैं आप गॉड है, तो विच इज द ट्रूथ? And then Baba tells them that no, principle is also right, that Jesus was I am. But it still does not, that means, take away from Baba's love for people who are calling him as Jesus or Krishna or Ram or Zarathustra or anyone. And that is so much of a big solace, that God is always with us and keeping us with him. And I think Murthy uncle's life was only and only devoted to that, कि कैसे बाबा का नाम किसी के कानों तक पहुंचना चाहिए और फिर कानों से दिल तक पहुंचाना बाबा का काम
And
है.
one thing, say whenever I come to Ahmednagar, I used to ask him token. That time my husband was there, 2019. We went to Ahmednagar. So my husband said, "My goodness, such a big line. I can't stand it. So much time it takes." Then I said, wait, I'll ask Murthy, token he'll give. Then I told him, Murthy, can you give me token? Hey, नहीं मालती, तुम और तुम्हारा हस्बैंड दोनों लाइन में खड़ा रहो. तुम्हारे हस्बैंड को बोलो खड़ा रहने के लिए. इट्स अ पनिशमेंट. नो ना, तुमको ऐसा जाना ही नहीं है पहले से. क्यों जाना है? तुम लाइन में खड़ा रहो. रवि, माय हस्बैंड नेम इज रवि. एक्चुअली हिज नेम इज बगरीत राव, बट वी कॉल्स ही कॉल्स हिम रवि. रवि तुम लाइन में खड़े रहो, तभी तो तुमको उसका मिलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं. तो फिर then 2023, my friend, she's staying here, Annapurna. She told me, Malti, ना बड़ा लाइन है, टोकन किसी से पूछना, कोई होने से देगा. तो बोले रुको ना, Murthy is there. Murthy and Janardhan Reddy, both are standing there. Then I went there. He's joking. He always jokes with me, Murthy. Murthy said, hey, किसको लेके आए मालती? तुम कौन आया तुम्हारा साथ? तुम टोकन मांग रही है? कौन आदमी को लेके आए कि किसको लेके आए? हम बोला नहीं मूर्ति, क्या बात कर रहे तुम? बोला मेरे फ्रेंड है एक अन्नपूर्णा, शी इज आल्सो बाबा डिवोटीज, तो उसको लेके आओ, हम देखेंगे कौन है तुम्हारा, तुम लेके आई, हमको तभी मालूम पड़ेगा तुम किसको लेके आई है. तभी उसको अन्नपूर्णा को लेके आए. फिर देन दैट अन्नपूर्णा से, माय गॉड मूर्ति 2023 में हम लोग को टोकन दिया था, वही चला गया. यस, surprising. She is also surprising. Listen, I want to say.
Malti ji,
Okay, tell me.
this is Sam Patel from Bombay.
हाँ.
आपको देख के I have my memories of
Listen,
30 years
listen.
back.
We met you 2020, 24. I was in MPR. That time I was going
Correct.
by walk.
Ah,
And I told you,
yes.
my father name Manda Appa Rao. You know my
Ah,
daddy's
ah,
name. You said, yes, I know very well. Oh, you are Appa Rao's daughter, you said.
correct. So
I remember you very well.
it is just like a family connection, you know.
Yes,
We are
yes,
all
yes.
one.
Yeah,
We have a eternal Father,
yeah.
Baba. That is all there is to it. I was told that you sing also very well. Do you want to sing anything?
Can I sing Hindi?
Hindi, yes, yes.
Which? Okay. Jai Baba. 1 minute. जय बाबा. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. नाम बड़ा को मेहर का काम करेगा कौन, मेहर का काम करेगा कौन. बैलों के बल चलती गाड़ी, शान चले हैं साये में, बैलों की बल चलती गाड़ी शान चले साये में शान को होवे जैसा ब्रह्मई शान को होवे जैसा ब्रह्मई मुझे बिन कीचे कौन मुझे बिन कीचे कौन काम करेगा कौन मेहर का काम करेगा कौन ऐसी हमारी गति न होवे ऐसी हमारी गति न होवे बंधन में ना बंधन आवे बंधन में ना बंधन आवे मेहर प्रभु की शरण में जावे मेहर प्रभु की शरण में जावे उन बिन दाता कौन उन बिन दाता कौन काम करेगा कौन मेहर का काम करेगा कौन ये मेहर की कृपा हो गई ये मेहर की कृपा हो गई मौका दीनो करो सफाई ये मेरे की कृपा हो गई मौका दीनो करो सफाई हम है माध्यम करता वही हम है माध्यम करता वही उन बिन दूजा कौन उन बिन दूजा कौन काम करेगा कौन मेहर का काम करेगा कौन बहुरूपी है मैं की दो की बहुरूपी है मैं की दो के पल पल हमारी राह रोके पल पल हमारी राह रोके मधुसूदन चला मेरु जपते मधुसूदन चला मेरु जपते उन बिन राखे कौन उन बिन राखे कौन काम करेगा कौन मेहर का काम करेगा कौन मेहर का काम करेगा कौन अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय
की
थैंक यू
जय।
वेरी मच फॉर एवरीबॉडी
Thank you, Baba.
जय बाबा
Okay, Roshni, Natasha, do you all want to take over now?
ओके
You want to sing a song? And we have a short
to
video
share a few.
that we have, which we would
Farah
like to
has.
share. It's on Ocean of Love that we have created.
Okay.
So we would like to share that
Yeah,
as
but
well.
before that, I want to say a few things.
Yeah.
Maltimasi, thank
Just
you
give
for
us a
Thank
minute.
you.
We'll put it
yeah,
on.
Samantha, Aram.
Yeah.
Maltimasi, thank you for sharing
Sharing.
the way that you shared, because the way that you shared was very, it was full of love. That is exactly how Mukti uncle would also talk, and very simply. But love is not an ordinary affair. It is simple. It is simplest, but it is not ordinary. And that's how even Mukti uncle's life was. And Farah, I think I shared one. I want to. I mean, when मालती मासी आप बोल रहे थे ना, मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें याद आ गई, क्योंकि जब भी कुछ समय पहले से ही, before Mukti uncle actually left his body, which was very sudden. तो उससे थोड़े महीने पहले से ही बहुत सारा चीजें जो आपने बोली, उसका एक कनेक्शन या उसका एक कंक्लूजन या कुछ ना कुछ उससे रिलेटेड चीजें घट गई। तो जैसे एस्कॉन की बात आपने बोली, तो एस्कॉन में जब भी अपरा अंकल के, मतलब when he left his body in the shrine, so after 2010, then after that Murthy uncle did not go to ESCON again. But in Murthy uncle's house, always Appara uncle's photo is there, and Krishna and everybody, means with full respect, and the temple and puja and everything. But he had not gone. But just a few months before, I and Murthy uncle somehow happened to meet for something, and that plan did not. That plan changed, and we were just standing in middle of the road laughing, and then what to do. और हम लोग वहां से एस्कॉन चले गए, आउट ऑफ नो वेयर, देयर वाज नो, लाइक देयर वाज नो प्लान, एंड वी वेंट टू एस्कॉन, एंड एस्कॉन गए, दर्शन भी किया, सब हो गया, देन वी sat for dinner. और वहां पे Apparav uncles, when Apparav uncle was serving in ESCON, because Apparav uncle is the one who has started the Govinda's restaurant in ESCON. He was instrumental in doing a lot of, people who know Bombay ESCON, they will know Juhu ESCON. So he was instrumental in starting lot of things and doing his seva. So Murthy uncle was just telling me this, and at that time one person from Apparav uncle's time just came, and they met. And Murthy uncle asked him, "Do you remember me?" And he said, "Yes, yes." And he said, "Do you remember Apparao?" And then he said, some things they exchanged, and it was so beautiful, that meeting. So, and means must have been so many years that seva is happening. So he was also there since Apparao uncle's time, that gentleman. And I think more than 25 years, after 25 years, Murthy uncle also visited ESCON. That was one. Then just a few months, means before ये episode हो गया, Murthy uncle and I and all our group used to talk about one place that Baba had visited in Bombay. The mention is in Lord Mayor, but I cannot mention here because it is supposed to be kept like that, as requested by the owner of that place. So I don't think it was even before, a month before Murthy uncle left, and we used to always talk about that place. That place was, it is where it is in Bombay. So, and हम लोग सोचते थे, क्या मूर्ति अंकल भी बोलते थे कि जाएंगे ना अपन उधर, तो जाएंगे उधर, तो ढूंढेंगे उधर, तो बाबा गए, वो जगह अभी भी होएगी. And just a month before he left, we, out of nowhere, we just grouped and we used to meet in Murthy uncle's house very often. और मिलना ही सत्संग, मतलब that was the thing. And Murthy uncle used to always say, "Hey, don't worry about other things, don't worry about planning. Main thing is to meet. Main thing is to, meet and sing Baba's songs. Rest, everything will be sorted." So we used to not discuss only other things. We used to just meet, and then everything would be taken care of. And that day also we met, and around 8:30 at night, we were all about to leave, and we said, "Okay, forget it." And then we were like, "No, no, now we have come here, Murthy uncle, we spoke about that place, let us go." So I said that. So every others were like, "Okay, okay, chalo, let us go." तो सबने हिम्मत बना के वो रात में ही चले गए उधर. और उधर जाने से वो जगह तो नहीं मिला, एक बेकरी था, तो बेकरी के पास गए, और मूर्ति अंकल, यू नो, you can love this habit of his, but you cannot ignore this habit of his. It is like that. His habit is to inquire. He will dig, 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 dig till the time he finds the gold. So he was like that, Super Mario. So then वो बेकरी वाला का अंदर घुस गए, वो उसको द केबिन, यू नो, वेयर द ओनर वाज सिटिंग, इट्स a big bakery. And we were like, oh, Murthy uncle, embarrassing. Matlab, he went inside, he spoke to him, he showed him that photo, he said, we are Baba lovers, and you know, all of that.
Yeah,
And
I showed everybody. Yeah, Baba's photo,
so,
showing the
correct. So Murthy
video,
uncle
yeah.
was most candid and most open-hearted about we are Baba lovers, and हम लोग ये ढूंढने को आया है, मतलब जैसा कुछ हम लोग treasure hunt पे निकल गए हैं. और वो भी आदमी देख रहा है, ये सब बड़े बड़े लोग, एक 70 साल का है, वो एक 73-year-old का है, एक ये 40 साल की है, एक दूसरा कोई 2 लोग है, ऐसा. वो भी देख रहा है ये क्या लोग है, मतलब 9 बजे रात को, नहीं हम लोग बाबा लवर है और हमको ये जगह ढूंढना है. तो वो मूर्ति अंकल बैठ ही गए, नहीं नहीं आप सोचो, आप सोचो. एंड वी वर लाइक, मूर्ति अंकल बस जाने दो उसको क्या. बट देन दैट मैन, सी, you know, it is how it is, we may feel, but that man knew it. And he guided us to the right place, and he said this place is existing even today, and that place is so well guarded कि आने जाने वाले को नहीं दिखेगा. So this is in Kandivali, but I will not give more details. But this is a place where Baba has stayed. The mention is in Lord Meher, and yeah, I told Murthy uncle that we will never mention about it, but today I think it's a special time, and I am mentioning that we all happened to reach there. And that place is as it is. The owner of that place has not been able to change even a tile of that place. He said the owner did not. So it was very late at night. We reached it around, I think 9:30, quarter to 10. And there was big security and all. So they were wondering why we are peeping in and, you know, everything. But we are like little children. So we did not really, for us, it was only like we are going to find something. So, so it was many series of coincidence that, you know, one person came out, then he called the owner, then the owner said, you all wait, we are having dinner, ऐसा सब करके वो आ गया और उसने परमिशन दे दिया कि आप लोग आके देख लो. और जब भी हम लोग उधर गए तो मूर्ति अंकल explained to him that, you know, who is Meher Baba, this, that. That owner did not know, because that owner brought it from a Parsi fellow who had offered Baba and other Western Mandali, everybody to stay there in that place. So Murthy uncle, when he took name of those that owner, then he recognized ye sab, and you know, he said that this is Meher Baba had come here and done his divine work over here. And that owner said that, you know, for some reason, for so many years it's in the family, like since I think around 1960 or something, it is in their family. But he said for some reason we have not even changed a small tile. I have not allowed to change anything. This place is as it is. And today when you all have come and, you know, telling all this, now we know the importance of this place. So there were so many, you know, there were so many things that anyways was to be, you know, was to be kind of completed, and Murthy uncle completed it before going. कुंभ मेला भी जो हुआ, मूर्ति अंकल एक मस्ती मस्ती में बोलते थे, हम लोग सब थोड़े लोग हम गए कुंभ, और सब लोग मूर्ति अंकल के लिए पानी लेकर आए उधर से. तो उनको मन था, पर ऑफ कोर्स नॉट एवरीबडी इट्स पॉसिबल, एज एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड मूर्ति अंकल यूज्ड टू जस्ट से, यू नो, दैट yes, and Murthy uncle used to just say that, you know, you all went to the Kumbh, but maximum person who's had a proper bath from the Kumbh water is me, because we all brought 2 liters of water for him. And that was one thing. There were many such episodes that happened. Even after Murthy uncle, you know, he passed away, that next day when we came home, it was, of course, we were very sad. And Farah, could you share that one picture I had sent? You know.
On that day, he enjoyed lot of holy day.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was singing. He was sang one song also on that day, holy day, 14th holy. Somebody told me
Yeah. So
he was
this,
singing song also on that day.
yeah, he
14th.
was fully active. Murthy uncle till the last minute was completely active. And even before he
Singing
passed
song,
away,
Baba said Jai Baba Bolo, and to everybody, and he was playing, he was enjoying so much on that day, holy day.
he was completely active, very excited to
Yeah,
know
yeah.
if Baba played Holi with somebody and all of that.
Yeah, he was telling, yeah.
On that Sunday before Murthy uncle passed away, he passed away on Friday, and on that Sunday हमारा बात हो गया, बहुत लंबा बात हो गया, क्योंकि we used to talk three times, 4 times a day, and but always talk about Baba, and it was really nice. And like you said, no, Malti, that he will always ask, how is your health? What is happening?
Yeah,
Means he
yeah,
was
yeah.
so concerned. So
Yeah.
this picture that, it's being displayed on the screen, actually, Farah, can you go to the other back picture? These are two same images, but when after we, when Murthy uncle was cremated that day at Mehrabad, so this picture was in our room. When I came back, I saw this picture, and I don't know, somehow looking at this picture, it reminded me of Murthy uncle a lot, because Murthy uncle used to wear this kind of attire, like
Yeah,
where
yeah, I
his
know,
shirt
I know.
is,
Yeah.
tucked up, and the last button is also.
One badge was there last time
One-
when he came.
Correct.
He lost a badge, Baba's badge. He said, Malti, Baba ka badge तुम्हारे घर में है. Why? Yeah, it is there. I was thinking whose it is. Yeah, that is mine. Send me soon. How I'll send you? I am not coming to Ahmednagar. So then, no, we have to send anyhow. That badge I want important. That
He
my
was,
favorite badge, that Baba's badge.
yeah, I don't know
Okay,
if that
I'll
was
send it
the.
with somebody.
Show me, Malti Masi, what was the batch later, or maybe that was the batch I gave him. I'm not sure. Later we'll see. Okay, so this picture was in our room, and he was looking like Murthy uncle to me after we came back, and you know how maybe when you go and become one with Baba, so I always felt like now he's dissolved in Baba. And then
He goes
next day,
he comes every month. He goes to Ahmednagar now for Duni.
yeah.
Every month he said, I'm going to Duni.
Yeah. And next
12 to-
day when I came to Bombay, I means very much in grief, and we were remembering Murthy uncle and all of that. And I was just standing, near, just like that, standing. There was nothing. There was no thinking or anything. I was just standing near one board. And suddenly I looked up and I saw the same picture, like Farah, if you show the other one. So that picture, this Murthy uncle had only given me many years ago. And I had just kept it on the, one of the boards like that. And I didn't
Oh.
realize I kept it and I forgot it. And suddenly I, got this picture at that time only, just one day after I came home. And it's the same picture that, after we were staying at MPR. So it just made me realize that, how Murthy uncle and Baba are, like giving us these signals. Not just that very day, I will play that one song, that very day, Murthy uncle, I was thinking Murthy uncle used to always sing a song. So that song was, none of us had recorded that song, which is very strange.
Yeah.
For all these years, we never thought of recording that song, not writing it down, because you feel he's always there, correct? What will happen, like him? And learn this song, but now I have not recorded it. Where will I learn it from? And within that moment, somebody messaged me saying that, condolences for Murthy uncle's passing and all that. And you can close Farah the screen. And at that time, she said, you remember you and
The
I,
song
it
na
was,
jis tan mein rupina kachu
that
nahi.
was
That song, no?
that
He
was
was
his
singing?
favorite song,
That
but
song?
no, this is another song. And I'll
Acha.
play that in his voice now. And it was, she called me and then she said, you remember we were sitting at MPR a few days back and Murthy uncle was there and I asked him to sing the song and I recorded his song. And that's
Acha.
how she gave me the song. So many such connections, so many such stories. But I just want to end it saying that, he was a gem of a person. Practice the message of Baba that true happiness lies in making others happy. And that's very true. because
Sing that
even
song
when
for 2 lines. You sing that song for 2 lines.
I will play it in Murthy uncle's voice.
Acha. Okay.
Can I play, Farah?
Yes, yes, I have shared it on screen. This video,
No,
right?
no. Ha, no, no.
Okay. Play.
Is this
I
audible?
am the ocean where all have
Don't
begun. I am beloved sublime. I am the
No, this is not
ocean
the
where
song.
all finally come. I am the one beyond time. I am the one beyond time. For I am the one who made heaven and earth, planets and stars up above. I am the treasure of infinite worth. I am the ocean of love. I am the ocean of limitless joy, infinite consciousness too. I am the music that never will cloy. I am the ocean in you. I am the ocean in you. For I am the one who made heaven and earth, planets and stars up above. I am the treasure of infinite worth. I am the ocean of love. I am the ocean of unending peace, infinite hearing and sight. You from your chains I have come to release into my ocean of light, into my ocean of light. For I am the one who made heaven and earth, planets and stars up above. I am the treasure of infinite worth. I am the ocean of love. I am the ocean of unbroken calm, infinite bliss I'm too. I've been called Jesus and Buddha and Ram, and now Meher Baba by you. And now Meher Baba by you. For I am the one who made heaven and earth, planets and stars up above. I am the treasure of infinite worth. I am the ocean of love. I am the ocean of love. Drown in my ocean of love.
Nice photo.
Roshni, can you come on?
Jai Baba, this is Ram Nori.
Hi.
Murthy's voice did really remind me of Bob Hole's.
Oh, this is
Oh.
not Murthy uncle's voice.
Oh, that's not Murthy Uncle's voice?
No, no, no. That was the
Bob,
video.
Bob, that's Bob's voice, is it? Okay.
Yeah, it is. No, it is. This was actually Ted's voice.
Okay. Yeah.
But Murthy uncle's voice is here with me. I was trying to play it. I'll share it with Farah.
Do you want to share it at your end? I can give
No,
that-
dear, I've sent it.
Okay.
So this was a very special song that Murthy uncle used to sing. And few days ago, very surprisingly, there was this, we all know that the Pope also dropped his body. And one of our friends had shared a quote, which is exactly what the Pope is saying. We can share that later. But Farah, if you could play that song at least little bit, then we can
Just
hear Murthy uncle's voice.
half a minute. It's getting
Yes,
downloaded.
yes. Roshni, are you here?
Yes, I'm here only.
Jai Baba.
Do confirm if it's audible.
वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपना फल, नदियाँ न पिए कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपना फल, अपने तन का मन का धन का दूजों को दे जो दान है, वो सच्चा इंसान अरे इस धरती का भगवान है। नदियाँ न पिए कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपना फल, अपने तन का मन का धन का दूजों को दे जो दान है, वो सच्चा इंसान रे इस धरती का भगवान है। अगर सजिसका अंग जले वो दुनिया को मीठी सुवास दे, अगर सजिसका अंग जले वो दुनिया को मीठी सुवास दे, दीपक सा उसका जीवन है जो दूजों को अपना प्रकाश दे, दूजों को अपना प्रकाश दे। धर्म है जिसका भगवत गीता, धर्म है जिसका भगवत गीता, सेवा ही जिसकी पुराण है, वो सच्चा इंसान अरे इस धरती का भगवान है। ये दुनिया बनाना और बना के उसे चलाना बस उसी का काम है। ये दुनिया बनाना और बना कर उसे चलाना बस उसी का काम है। बड़ा जोरदार उसका इंतजार है, ओ बड़ा जबरदस्त उनका इंतजाम है। ये दुनिया बनाना और बना उसे चलाना बस उसी का काम है। बड़ा जोरदार उसका इंतजाम है, ओ बड़ा जबरदस्त उनका इंतजाम है। जल पे है थल और थल पे आसमान है, जल पे है थल और थल पे आसमान है, फिर भी एक दूजे पे न बोझ के समान है। जल पे है थल और थल पे आसमान है, फिर भी एक दूजे पे न बोझ के समान है। गजब का ये जहान है, बिन खंबे का मकान है। गजब का ये जहान है, बिन खंबे का मकान है। पात ही को पात, प्राण ही को प्राण है। पात ही को पात, प्राण ही को प्राण है। बड़ा जोरदार उसका इंतजाम है, ओ बड़ा जबरदस्त उनका इंतजाम है। ये दुनिया बनाना और बनाकर उसे चलाना बस उसी का काम है। बड़ा जोरदार उनका इंतजाम है, ओ बड़ा जबरदस्त उनका इंतजाम है। सूर्य चंद्र तारे अपने धर्म से न टल सके, सूर्य चंद्र तारे अपने न टल सके। इंसान का मजाल क्या जो उसका क्रम बदल सके। सूर्य चंद्र तारे अपने धर्म से न टल सके। इंसान का मजाल क्या जो उसका क्रम बदल सके। एक फूल भी खिले नहीं, एक पत्ता भी हिले नहीं। एक फूल भी खिले नहीं, एक पत्ता भी हिले नहीं। सारी जहां सारा सृष्टि उसका जहान है। सारी जहां सारा सृष्टि उसका जहान है। बड़ा जोरदार उसका इंतजाम है, ओ बड़ा जबरदस्त उनका इंतजाम है।
ये दुनिया बनाना और बनाकर उसे चलाना बस उसी का काम है। बड़ा जबरदस्त इसका इंतजाम है, ओ बड़ा जबरदस्त उनका इंतजाम है। बड़ा जबरदस्त उनका इंतजाम है।
Nice song.
You Farah, sharing. That's it from my side. Roshni, you want to say something? Any Sam uncle?
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
This was my favorite song as well. Whenever Murthy would come to the center, I would never ever leave him without singing this song. And पता नहीं क्यों अभी recently this what's happening? Recently, when this Pope Francis passed away, उनका भी यही English version में the first para के the river does not drink its own water. It was the favorite of Pope Francis himself also. Baba has his own ways of doing things, and this was one of them. Roshni, come on, if you have to say anything.
No, not really, because I think we have said lots more to be said. There will never be enough, though. But we had this very beautiful 4-hour satsang for him on 29th of March, where even Karthik, Anusha, and his family shared very beautiful anecdotes and experiences of Murthy Uncle. It's there on our YouTube channel, Meher Baba Love God, if anybody wishes to ever see it. And just he literally lived every word of Baba's quotes, every bhajan that I can recollect, whether Chinta Se Gir Jao, whether Basao Man Mein Meher, all these favorite ones, even the Man Mat Wale Meher Gun Gare, ya Gaate Chalo, Ala Pahadev, the words literally whenever that one can think of is Murthy Uncle's life, and he was the biggest inspiration, at least for me. And we know when we knew already that he's touched many lives, but that 29th program brought out to surface the innumerable number of lives that he has touched. And I'm just so grateful for everything that he gave me, and especially that last day, that trip is etched like to my grave almost, of that 12th, 13th, and 14th of March. And I couldn't have asked more from him, to whatever, God knows how many lives we've been together. And I'm sure in Baba's love in some form or the other. And he's always been the inspiration. I would call him the Aloba of my life, because that's what he was. Always watching that whatever I did in Baba's love was rightfully done, correctly done, and there could never and should not ever be anything that would displease Baba. And yes, that on that last day, Geeta ji and I were there in Mehrabad with him, and as my father, and that I always prayed in life for my father, that may I be with my father and not be traveling, not be somewhere else. I prayed the same thing for him out of the blue. Once it had come to me years back, and I had told him also, just offhandedly in a conversation, and he literally took on to that. And I feel that as good as a daughter could be that he gave me that last day to drink that last glass, sips of water from my hand, to go to Baba right in my lap and in my holding his hand and singing Sachitanand, because he had told me earlier, and we spoke about death and all of that on 13th night also. And he said, मेरे को कुछ भी हुआ तो सचितानंद बोलते रहने का. And that was, you know, I couldn't have asked for more, but I wish it was not so soon. And wish, given the scenario, वो फूल की तरह रहे, उन्होंने कभी किसी को तकलीफ नहीं दी है when he was alive, and that's exactly how he went as well. And मतलब I feel कि it is blessings of lifetime to get a so-called death, which is the illusory death that we get. But it is मतलब भाग्यशाली soul. We always knew there was always something special with him, but his going to Baba just proved how special he was to Baba, and the way he went, और वो झटपट मतलब he left no stone unturned with the circumstances that were there at MPR to everything. He just मतलब बाबा just आए और उनको हाथ में उठा के लेके गए. It was like that. It was the same when he would use these words for his own marriage, चट मंगनी पट ब्याह हो गया, पर actually वो चट मंगनी पट ब्याह बाबा के साथ हुआ. पद्मा के साथ तो physically हुआ, पर the biggest treasure that she gave was give me Baba. And he spoke about everybody. He made so many calls on 13th. We planned a concert in MPR on 14th morning, and he said we would do it in August. हमारा ग्रुप का कॉन्सर्ट होना चाहिए MPR में, and he said we'll do it in August. Not even for a split second thinking कि अरे अगस्त में उनका बर्थडे भी है. I said Murthy uncle, we should do during Dhuni in August, and that's his birthday as well. But not for a one time in all that full breakfast conversation उन्होंने मुझे याद दिलाया कि मेरा बर्थडे है 12 को. So that was Murthy uncle. He never ever, and whether anybody said anything for him, whether people gossiped about him or anything, and that was a strength that I gained a lot. And every time something or the other would come back to our ears, कि इसने ऐसा बोला, उसने वैसा बोला, and it would be all to Baba, all to Baba. Everybody has to answer Baba. And that was it. And that gave so much of immense strength every time to me to do the same and say the same internally and truly believe that जिसको जो करना है, जिसको जो बोलना है कर दे. जब ये है तब किसका क्या डर है. And that is the fearless life he led, and he inspired every breath of my life in these 12-13 years that he has given, beautiful 10-13 years. And in these, from 2013 that he came started coming for the satsang, he was the family head for our satsang group. And in these 12 years, he has missed only one satsang because he was in Mehrabad. Otherwise, we would, whatever dates Baba would give us would always be kept in tune. We don't have it when any trust events are there, or we don't have it when Bombay Center events are there. And we used to carefully put it so that everybody can go everywhere and people don't need to choose between Baba programs. And of course, making sure that he's not traveling. Our main family members of the satsang group, all our Irani gang in the satsang group, to Nats or so many others, that at least our main people are there for every satsang. And we used to say that, oh, we are doing this date. Oh, yes, I'm there. So even with that, and there could have been many occasions where he could have sat because of his health. And very recently, in the last monsoons, there was this torrential rains on our satsang day, and I still, went on saying that, Murthy uncle, we will have the satsang, huh? वो बारिश तो बंद हो जाएगी before everybody leaves in the afternoon. And you take care, because he used to have IBS and he used to have loose motions, usually with the anxiety of traveling out of the house. So I said, आप गोली वोली ले लेना बराबर से. And he laughed and said, हाँ, तुम्हारे सत्संग के लिए पेट भी बंद हो जाते हैं और बारिश भी बंद हो जाती है, सो डोंट वरी। हम लोग अगर 2 लोग भी हैं ना तो वील डू इंटीमेट सत्संग। आई सेड यस यस यू कम, वील सी whoever has to come will end up coming. And we never went with the number game of how many are coming or who are coming. And just that me and Baba and whoever else wants to join in Baba's love is there, that was it. And in fact that day 23 people turned up, and there was no rains from afternoon, and rains only started at 11 o'clock in the night by the time that everybody would have reached home. So such is Baba's grace, and I'm thankful that I could share that journey of these 12 years with Murthy uncle and learn so much from him, to put everybody else first, to put everybody else's comfort first, to put everybody else's joy first. And I've learned a lot from him on all these lines of literally. And when we in 2015, when we started those little episodes with Cyrus, I told, and that time तो सिर्फ 2-1 साल हुए थे मूर्ति अंकल के साथ, तो I said, मूर्ति अंकल, you know, when I see your life, मैं ये हमेशा सोचती थी since 2012 कि हम लोग बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, हम स्पिरिचुअल बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, हम लोग 50,000 बार भी जय बाबा अगर लाइफ में बोलेंगे, हर महीने मेरा बात जाएंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे, पर अगर हम बाबा के इवन 1% ऑफ वर्ड्स पे अमल नहीं कर सकते, of not gossiping, not ill wishing, not backbiting, not doing this, not having grudges, not having resentment, not having unforgiveness, not criticizing constantly, then there is nothing which is of value. That is what I feel, and I used to tell him that, and that's where those words love and live God in everyday life came from when we did those episodes with Cyrus. I'm so thankful to Cyrus for Khambata for those episodes. And I used to tell Murthy uncle that, Murthy uncle, you are love and live God in everyday life for me. If I have to practically pinpoint somebody that I need to follow this person, then that is you. And may Baba's grace always be with you. Another facet, an uncanny facet of his, that he would have the family tree of every single Baba lover. You can drop a coin. Foreigner ho, Murshida ho, Hyderabad wala ho, Delhi wala ho, Kerala wala ho, kidhar ka bhi ho, Andhra ho. He knew everybody's family tree. कौन किधर है, कौन किसकी तबीयत कैसी है, कौन क्या है, किसका बेटा कहाँ पे है, किसका बेटे का बेटा क्या कर रहा है, कौन कौन से सेंटर से जुड़ा हुआ है. And just last year, I said, Murthy uncle, this gift is unique. It's not of being panchayat, of having curiosity to know, but you have this gift. You know, पूरी बाबा की दुनिया आपके फोन में है, and we need to make a directory and book of Baba lovers from your knowledge, because nobody, at least who I could think of, could have that kind of knowledge. वो काम अधूरा रह गया, and I don't know, maybe sometime through his phone, one will be able to decode the family trees and have a lovely book where we could reminisce the names and actually know of all the 5-6 generations of Baba lovers throughout the world. So just thank you, Murthy uncle, and he's been connected to the Bombay Center a lot. And this birthday, I insisted, because of his health, he had not come for so many birthdays, and somehow this birthday I kept on insisting that you have to come in the night, you come to my house and we all will go together. Then Geeta ji, Sita and Murthy uncle finally landed up. We met at 2:30 in my house and we left for Baba Center for Baba's birthday. But I said, Murthy uncle, आपको आना ही है ये birthday पे, तो साथ में ही जाएंगे, फिर भी मेहरबान में खाना खाने को जाएंगे, मस्का पाव खाएंगे जैसे बाबा जाते थे. And he did go for the maska pav because we had talked about, but we were busy singing, so he and Geeta ji left and had the ban maska and chai in name of beloved Baba at Be Meherwan. And that Be Meherwan is, yes, Be Meherwan. So let us be Baba and try an ounce of our efforts to love and live Baba in our daily lives through his words and through his silence, both of what he has told us and left us this treasure of books and every word, with the trouble that Baba has taken to dictate all of that in his 43.5 years of silence. and may we be able to have His grace to live those words in whatever little capacity and efforts we can in our daily life. And that is my only prayer every day to Baba, that you help us to hold on to your own Daman, and you help us to please you every day, and may you please yourself through us every day. Jai Baba.
Thank you very much, Roshni. In conclusion, all I can say is, be Meherwan का meaning है become like Meherwan. Become like Meherwan.
Want
Only
to,
Meher Baba that we know of.
yeah.
Time is running out now, so we have to conclude the meeting. We shall now start with prayers and Aarti, and then we shall hold a minute's silence, and after that, we shall all disperse. Natasha, I missed your singing today.
Yeah.
Roshni, tumhari wo thapli, I missed it. But there's always a next time. So
Time sang after we
thank you
definitely
very much
come.
for doing this meeting and the show. Malti ji,
Thank
thank
you.
you very much for
Thank
having
you very
taken
much,
this
Prabhu
trouble.
and Natasha and
आपको मिलके
Roshni.
अप्पा राव याद आ गए मेरे को.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So God bless you all. And now we'll start with our prayers and Aarti. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba, Natasha and Roshni.
Jai Baba Malti Masi.
Jai
Thank you.
Baba, Jai
Thank you.
Baba, Roshni, thank you for encouraging me for this. Baba
Thank you,
singing.
Baba. Thank you, Baba.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। हे परवरदिगार, सबके राखनहार और सबकी रक्षा करने वाले, तुम्हारा कोई आदि नहीं है और न तुम्हारा कोई अंत है। तुम अद्वैत हो, तुम तुलना से परे हो और तुम्हारा पार कोई नहीं पा सकता है। तुम्हारा कोई रंग और कोई रूप नहीं है। तुम आविर्भाव से रहित हो और तुम गुणातीत हो। तुम अपार हो और अगाध हो, कल्पना और धारणा से परे हो, शाश्वत और अनश्वर हो। तुम अखंडनीय हो और दिव्य नेत्रों के सिवाय और किसी भी प्रकार से तुम्हें कोई नहीं देख सकता है। तुम्हारा अस्तित्व सदैव था, तुम सदैव रहते हो और तुम सदैव रहोगे। तुम सर्वत्र हो, तुम हर वस्तु में हो और तुम हर जगह से परे तथा हर वस्तु से परे भी हो। तुम आकाश में हो और पाताल में हो। तुम व्यक्त हो और अव्यक्त हो। तुम सब लोकों पर हो और समस्त लोकों से परे भी हो। तुम तीनों भुवनों में हो और तीनों भुवनों से परे भी हो। तुम अगोचर हो और स्वतंत्र हो। तुम सृष्टि के रचने वाले हो, स्वामियों के स्वामी हो, समस्त मनों और हृदयों के ज्ञाता हो। तुम सर्वशक्तिमान हो और सर्वव्यापी हो। तुम अनंत ज्ञान हो, अनंत शक्ति हो और अनंत आनंद हो। तुम ज्ञान के महासागर हो, सर्वज्ञ हो, अनंत ज्ञान रखने वाले हो। तुम भूत, वर्तमान और भविष्य के ज्ञाता हो और तुम स्वयं ज्ञान हो। तुम पूर्ण दयामय हो और सदैव हितकारी हो। तुम आत्माओं की आत्मा हो और अनंत गुणों से संपन्न एक परमात्मा हो। तुम सत्य, ज्ञान और परमानंद की त्रिमूर्ति हो। तुम सत्य के मूल हो, प्रेम के महासागर हो। तुम सनातन सत्ता हो, ऊंचों में सबसे ऊंचे हो। तुम प्रभु और परमेश्वर हो। तुम पर ब्रह्म हो और परात्परी पर ब्रह्मा भी हो। तुम पर ब्रह्म परमात्मा हो, अल्लाह हो, इलाही हो, यजदान हो, अहुरमज़द हो और प्रियतम ईश्वर हो। तुम्हारा नाम इज्जत अर्थात एकमात्र पूज्य है। हे असीम दया के निधि प्रभुराज, हम अपने सब पापों के लिए पश्चाताप करते हैं। हर एक विचार के लिए जो असत्य, अनुचित या गंदा था, हर एक बोले हुए शब्द के लिए जिससे बोलना हमें उचित न था, और हर एक कर्म के लिए जिससे करना हमें उचित न था। स्वार्थ से प्रेरित हर एक कर्म, शब्द और विचार के लिए तथा द्वेष प्रेरित हर एक कर्म, शब्द और विचार के लिए हम पश्चाताप करते हैं। विशेषकर हर एक कामुक विचार तथा क्रिया के लिए, ऐसे हर एक वचन के लिए जिसको हमने पूरा नहीं किया, और सभी निंदा, पाखंड, दंभ या लोगों के पीछे उनके दोष बताने के लिए हम अनुताप करते हैं। और खासकर दूसरों का नाश करने वाले हर एक कर्म के लिए, दूसरों को दुख देने वाले हर एक शब्द तथा कर्म के लिए तथा दूसरों पर दुख गिरने की इच्छा करने के लिए हम अनुताप करते हैं। हे प्रभुराज, आप हम पर असीम दया करके हमारे किए हुए पापों को क्षमा कीजिए, और वैसे ही आपकी मर्जी के अनुसार विचार करने में, बोलने में तथा कार्य करने में जो हमारी असमर्थता सदा रहती आई है, उसको भी क्षमा कीजिए। यही हमारी आपसे प्रार्थना है। प्रियतम परमात्मा, हमारी ऐसी सहायता कर कि हम तुझसे अधिक का अधिक प्रेम करें, और अधिक और अधिक, और फिर भी उससे भी अधिक प्रेम करें, जब तक कि हम तुझ में मिलकर एक हो जाने के पात्र बन जाए। और तू हम सब की ऐसी सहायता कर कि हम अंत अंत तक प्रियतम बाबा का दामन दृढ़ता से पकड़े रहे। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
भुजावे नार जहलतनी एकर खुद रत्ने फरमातु छलागी आश भक्तों ने के बख्शे नूरे मातु अयामुर शद मेहर बाबा चरण पर तुझ न धरिए सर खुदा ना जात थी वाकिफ थई बै थो मेहर बातू तू छे माँ लिख हकीकत नो तू आशिक भी ने आरिफ भी तू छे दरी याए वहदत मारिफत नो हो ही तू फातू हमोर है रब ने सालिक बख्श ज्ञान ईजदनु के तू पर महात्मा ज्ञानी छने मुख तारेर फातू खुदाना प्रेम नो प्यालो पिलावी मस्त हमने कर छ तुझ पर जान सद के साखिया पीद पे मातू हमारी नाव भर दरिए तरावे तो हमें तुम्हारा ना खुदाए मेहर बाबा छनिगे बातू हमारा ना खुदाए मेहर बाबा छनिगे बातू बुझावे नार जहलत नी कर खुद रत ने फरमातू छलागी आश भक्तों ने के बख्शे नूरे मातू। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Jai Baba, Natasha and Roshni.
जहाँ कल्पना शब्द न पहुँचे ऐसे अपरंपार नेति नेति वेद पुकारे महिमा तोरी अपार दिव्य सनातन परम दयादन दिव्य सनातन परम दयादन है जगदूद्वारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो धूप दीप चंदन चर्चाना भोग लगाना फूल चढ़ाना तुमरा ही तुमको लौटाना काहे बड़ाई करूं मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो सकल निधि के तुम कारण हो सकल विश्व तारण हारे हो तुम सम और नहीं तुम ही हो हे सत अवतारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो सकल चराचर तुमरी माया माया भी तो तुमरी छाया तुम्हारा अंतन कोई पाया तुम हो अनंत खरो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो अपने को जब जो नहीं जाने महिमा तुम्हारी क्या पहचाने जो कुछ भी कहते अनजाने गुण गाते तुम्हारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो सीमा नाही तुम्हारी कृपा को क्या कोई दे सकता प्रभु तुमको भीख तुम्ही दो प्रेमी जनों को नित्य तुम्हें सुमरो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो दिव्य सनातन परम दयादन, दिव्य सनातन परम दयादन, हे जगदुद्वारो मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो, मेहर मन आरती स्वीकारो। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Jai Baba, Natasha and Roshni by inviting me to talk about Murti.
1 minute of silence, Malti Masi.
Okay.
1 minute of maun.
प्रियतम अवतार
Avar
मेहर
Meher
बाबा
Baba
की जय।
ki Jai. Jai Baba, to everyone,
Jai
Natasha
Baba.
and
Everybody, thank you, Baba. Thank you,
Thank
Baba.
you for inviting Baba Center. I'm in Bombay now.
Jai Baba
I'm
Ma.
very happy.
Jai Baba. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
everybody,
you, Sam
for
Uncle. Thank you,
joining us.
everybody.
Thank you,
Thank
Baba.
you,
Thank
Baba.
you for everybody.
Yes.
Thank you,
Baba.
Baba. Thank you.
Thank you for
Till we
Baba.
meet again next Thursday, all I have to say is keep Baba
Okay.
with you and
Okay.
cling on to his daman with both
Okay.
your hands.
Thank
Avar
you,
Meher
Baba.
Baba ki Jai.
Jai.
We shall now end the meeting. Jai Meher Baba.
Thank you, Farah. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all who came to hold space in Baba's love.
Jai
Thank you so
Baba.
much.
Jai
Jai
Baba.
Baba, everyone.